Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python programming video short series, and we were just learning about the decorator. So I have a problem based on property decorator. So we need to create read only attribute, which means we need to just like make out an employee class and where email would be generated, email ID, okay, automatically would be generated from the employee's name and cannot be set manually. So let's just try to do this program with the help of a property decorator. So let's just create a class employee, and we know that property decorator is something which is taking out the method as an attribute, right? So let's just try to create a constructor here, and we are going to just get three parameters. One would be self, one would be the first name, and second one would be the last name for generating out the email. And we are just going to get the self dot first by the help of first, right? Else we are just going to get the self dot last with last value, and here we are going to get, let's just make the indentation properly, and we just going to use the property decorator, and we are just going to use the new function, which is a mail function, which will just have the self parameter, so that we get a return. We are going to use here simply f string self dot first would be first of all converted into the lower cases, because we know that email IDs are literally into the lower cases, right? And we can just have dot self dot last dot lower, and we can just add on simply at the rate company.com, right? Else we can just simply print out, I mean we'll create out an object with the help of employee. We'll give the data, let's say Kajal. Let's try to give last name, and we'll attribute the method as, I mean method as attribute, right? So e dot mail. So let me just save it. So guys, basically there was no issue. I've just saved out the program. Now I just got the desired answer with the name of starting and ending name. We just got the new email ID. Okay, we have created out a just a constructor inside which we have passed out first and last name's value. Okay, by the help of self we have just taken the value. Now we have created out a new function mail which will generate for us the first name and last name's inclusion email ID. Okay, by the help of lower function we have converted out the string into lower. Okay, and we just got the answer. I hope you guys understood the concept. Thank you.